Disasters take a long time to recover, whether it be financial, emotional, community-wise.
Extension's role in disaster, we have a really awesome team that supports disaster work across the state that includes our county managers, our regional directors, field specialists. So when we have a disaster occur, what are the ways that we can get involved in supporting businesses, individuals, families from their impact?
Having that information, that education, having that connection can really help the community to grow and to be strong and realize that there's that one strong, constant factor that's going to be there.
Providing education after a disaster it's imperative. It's very important that we all know who each other are and where we can go for help to obtain those answers to questions that insureds or consumers might have that we might not have the answer to.
So a lot of people think that after a disaster, they want a quick resolution, a quick fix, a quick back to normal. And it takes years to rebuild and recover from a disaster. There's the infrastructure to the community finance, those relationships. And Extension can play a huge role in helping to continue to move things forward in the recovery process.
We have so many different skill sets that are needed in time of disaster, whether that be working with farmers, again, in like drought response, or you see flooding, how are those folks responding? Trauma is a thing that occurs, so having mental health services, knowing how to connect and talk with people in that time of need.
I think we still need collaboration and just knowing who to go to if we aren't able to help somebody. I think that's a very big part of the recovery process.
Extension is that face that's in every county. People know where Extension offices are. They know where they can go to. They know who they can trust and turn to. And they know that if Extension doesn't have the answer, they're not just going to be left out on the line to figure it out on their own.
So Extension collaborating in local disaster recovery is critical because we offer unique programming, resources, education, so we can make the largest impact in Iowa.